Good morning students. Today we will do numerical problems on singly reinforced beam by working stress method. So the question is an RCC beam of size 300 millimeter into 600 millimeter effective is reinforced with 4 bars 22 millimeter diameter. So calculate the moment of resistance of the beam section if maximum stresses are not to exceed 7 Newton per square millimeter and 230 Newton per square millimeter for concrete and steel respectively. So M means modular ratio, its value is given 13.33. So the solution of the problem is, so first of all, data given to us. So this is singly reinforced beam. See the width of the beam section, and this is cross sectional area of the steel in tension AST, and this is effective depth of the beam section, and this is position of neutral axis, and stress diagram. So this is stress diagram for sigma CBC. So this is the cross section of the beam. So data given to us, width of the beam section, it is given 300 millimeter and effective depth, so its value is given 600 millimeter, and cross sectional area of the steel in tension AST, it is given to us. So as AST is 4 bar 22 millimeter dia, so it means 4 into pi d square by 4 means this is the cross sectional area of the 1 bar, and there are 4 bars. So cross sectional area of the steel in tension, its value is 1520.5 square millimeter, and sigma CBC, permissible compressive stress in concrete and bending, its value is given 7 Newton per square millimeter, and sigma ST, permissible tensile stress in steel, its value is also given 230 Newton per square millimeter, and modular ratio M, it is also given 13.33. So this is the cross section of the beam, and this is stress diagram for balanced section. This is NC. NC means depth of the critical neutral axis. So first of all, we will find NC, means depth of the critical neutral axis. So to find NC, so we will acute the sides of these two triangles. So it means sigma CBC upon sigma ST upon M, this is equal to this side NC, and this is D minus NC. So this is equal to D minus NC. So putting all these values, so this is M sigma CBC upon sigma ST NC upon D minus NC. So M 13.33, sigma CBC 7, sigma ST 230. So NC upon D. D means B effective depth, it is given to us 600 minus NC. So by solving this question, NC means depth of the critical neutral axis, it comes from this question 173.2 millimeter. This is depth of the critical neutral axis. Then second we will find out the depth of the actual neutral axis. So critical neutral axis NC 173.2 millimeter. Then depth of the actual neutral axis. So to find n means depth of the actual neutral axis. So taking moment of areas of compression side and tension side about the neutral axis, because this neutral axis divides the cross section of the beam into two zones. So this is compression zone and this is tension zone. So taking moment of areas, of compression side and tension side about neutral axis. Then we get, so area of compression B into N. So this area lies at a distance of Ny2 from the neutral axis. So M into AST. This is equivalent area of concrete, and this lies at distance of D minus N. So putting all these values, we get B, width of the beam section 300. So this is N square by 2. So M is modular ratio 13.33. AST cross section area of the steel. So this value is 1520.5 into D minus N. So 600 minus N. So by solving this question, we get (150) N square is equal to 20,268.3. So by multiplying this, the factor is 20,268.3 into 600 minus N. So then this is N square 135.1 by dividing this side by 150. So we get N square is equal to 135.1 into 600 minus N. So then this is N square minus plus 135.1 N minus 81073. So by multiplying 135.1 into 600, so the value is 81073. This is equal to 0. So this is quadratic equation in N having two values. So the two values of N are N is equal to 130 minus 135.1 plus minus B square minus 4AC. B square minus 4AC means 130.5 plus square 4A equal to 1. So C, this is 81073 divided by 2. So it means rejecting the negative value, only positive value of neutral axis is taken into consideration. So the value of N from this equation is N is equal to 225.1 millimeter. So the depth of the actual neutral axis is 225.1 millimeter. So N is equal to 225.1 millimeter. So NC, critical neutral axis 173.2 millimeter, and the depth of the actual neutral axis 225.1. So it means N is more than NC. So N is more than NC. It means the section is over reinforced. So this is over reinforced beam section. So in case of over reinforced section, the moment of resistance of the section is governed by concrete. So M is equal to moment of resistance of the section. It is given by C into Z, where C is the total compressive force and Z is lever arm. So M is equal to B into N into sigma CBC by 2 into Z lever arm D minus N by 3. So putting all these values, so the value of B is 300, width of the section and the depth of the actual neutral axis 225.1. Sigma CBC, permissible compressive stress in concrete, it is 7 by 2 D. Effective depth of the section 600 minus 225.1 upon 3. So by solving these values, we get the moment of resistance of the beam section. M is equal to 124,086 Newton meter. That is, moment of resistance of the beam section is 124,086 Newton meter. So in kilonewton, the value is, so by dividing this value 1000, because 1 kilonewton is equal to 1000 Newton. So this is equal to 124.086 kilonewton meter. So this is the moment of resistance of the beam section. Thank you.